G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's been split so you've got matching pairs. I'll just zoom in a bit and give you a better look. Okay, we've moved in a bit. How these are made. Seam of opal in the parent boulder material. Cut it down until we've got the opal showing. Put a saw cut in it, that, and then split it, except this time it hasn't followed the seam of opal as well as we hoped, but you still could cut those into a pair of match stones. Same with this one. Unfortunately it didn't follow. Still two pretty little stones. Could be shaped up and made into a pair of earrings perhaps, or cufflinks, something like that, where you need two stones similar. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.